Hello and welcome back to MultiVendorX. In today's video, we will be learning about BuddyPress integration. BuddyPress added to your marketplace site will allow your vendors to sell their products on their BuddyPress social media profile. As introduced, BuddyPress is a WordPress software that helps you convert your website into a social media. With MultiVendorX, you can convert your marketplace site into a social marketplace site, offering the dual facilities of social media and marketplace. So before we get started, make sure you have the BuddyPress plugin installed and activated. Ours is already installed, so we'll just be enabling the plugin by navigating to MultiVendorX module and then scrolling down to BuddyPress under the third-party plugin. Now that BuddyPress is activated on our WordPress account, we shall make a few changes on our MultiVendorX dashboard to help vendor create their BuddyPress account. Skip to MultiVendorX and from there go to Settings. Now that we are transported to the MultiVendorX settings page, we will select the Social tab. And now if we scroll down a little, we will get a BuddyPress option called BuddyPress Sync option. As you can see, there is only one BuddyPress setting to configure, so enable this option and save it automatically. Enabling the BuddyPress setting will sync it with your marketplace website. As you can see, BuddyPress is already activated on our marketplace, but it is not yet a social marketplace site. To do so, we will need to go through the vendor settings. Now we are on our vendor dashboard, and from here we shall continue with the BuddyPress vendor configuration. From the dashboard, hop on to Store setting. As the Store setting list drops down, select the first Storefront option. As you can see, we have been redirected to the Storefront page. As you scroll down, you will be able to see the BuddyPress option available under the social media section. Here is where vendor will be pasting their BuddyPress profile URL. To get the BuddyPress URL, go to the Vendor Profile Manager. This black icon right here on the side. Once you click on this, you can see a list appears. Select the WordPress backend option. Selecting this option will give you access to the vendor backend dashboard. Simply drag your mouse to the vendor profile setting found right here. As displayed, a profile option will be available on this list. This profile option is the link to the vendor BuddyPress account. Select Profile. Now that the profile settings has been selected, vendor will appear on their BuddyPress account, which would roughly look like this. Now we shall be selecting the BuddyPress URL and copying it. Let's return to the MultiVendorX front-end dashboard and continue with the settings. Before we proceed with the BuddyPress setup, here is a little tip. Some of the BuddyPress settings can differ depending on the theme of use. You can either edit your website widget to add that as an option or let vendors use the backend settings. The backend option always works, so in case you don't see anything appears on your shop page like the profile or activity tab, don't panic and simply follow the steps shown here. See, we are back on our storefront page, and like it was mentioned previously, we shall be pasting our BuddyPress link over here. The next set of settings sync the vendor profile with the BuddyPress. My store to BuddyPress. This means members in the BuddyPress profile can make purchases from the vendor's shop directly from the BuddyPress profile of the vendor. BuddyPress to my store. Selecting this lets customer inform about the purchases. Order ID, shipping address, and so on be available on the vendor's shop page profile, despite the customer placing orders from their BuddyPress profile. Beside the sync option, vendors can then choose what part of their profile they want to sync with the vendor's shop profile. The sync options are Profile Picture. By selecting this option with the shop page profile, both the BuddyPress profile and the vendor shop profile will display the same picture. Cover Picture. By selecting this option, the cover photo of the vendor shop will be the same as that of the BuddyPress account. Name. If selected, the vendor name displayed on their shop profile will be the same displayed on their BuddyPress profile. Now we shall be taking a look at our vendor profile once more. Here you go. There is a new tab available over here. This is the Shop tab. Now the members can shop on their WordPress even through their BuddyPress account. With this, we have come to the end of our video. If you like the tutorial, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click onto the small red bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.